Hello students, in previous class we had looked into the some of the important tags, that is Mercure tag and div, span, pre tag and HR horizontal tags. So today we can look into the list, one of the important topic in your syllabus. List. List refers to the listing of an item in an ordered, unordered term. So the list means where the items or the details will be represented in the order or unordered format. List displays the information in a compact, tight format and are a useful asset to know about. There are three kinds of lists. They are as follows. One is ordered list, unordered list and definition list. Ordered list, it creates an ordered list, whereas an ordered list starts with OL and ends with a OL tag. Each list item starts with LI. LI is nothing but a list item. Okay, LI tag is a list item. A tag to the list items. Attributes are like class, clear, dir, id, language, style and title. Type. So the type, in type, so type is also attribute. Okay, we can specify the type for an ordered list, that is here you can see specifies the title of a list item for a ordered list. Okay, here when I typing it is been unordered list, so make it as ordered list. Okay, so from 1, so we can type that our list item should be start begin with a 1 2 3, right? We should begin with the 1 2 3 numbers we should represent, so default numbering with the, if you didn't mention the type also, it will start with a number format. Then we should specify the A. So if we specify the uppercase letters A, then it will give the item, the list of item will be represented as A B C D, like that. Lowercase a, it will give it as ABC, small letter ABC. Then large Roman number 1 2 3. So if we given the large Roman number beginning, then it will all represent in the Roman numbers. If we given smaller Roman numbers, then it will represent it as a small Roman number. So this is about the ordered list. We should specify the orders by using the type 1 2 3, capital letter ABC, small letter ABC. Okay, so list of items specified in the ordered list. Next we have an unordered list. It creates an unordered list. An unordered list starts with the tag UL and ends with the UL tag. Each list item starts with a LI tag to the list item. Here also the same thing, but there we have OL, here we have a UL. Okay, so attributes are also same, and here you can see the type is different, that is it specifies the type of the list of items for an unordered list. For example, we are giving like this. Okay, UL type equals square means closed square bullet, so it will give the square bulleting. Okay, there we can see that in ordered list 1 2 3 ABC and all will give, right? Here we are give the bullet, that here if we specify the square, then the bullet will be in square shape. Next you can see that UL type equals circle, so that the bullet will represent it in circle format, that is open circle bullet. Next we have the disk, UL type disk, that is closed circle bullet. Okay, so this is how we specify the type in the unordered list. So definition list, one of the important part. Okay, definition list values appear within the DL and close DL tag. Definition list consists of two parts, that is definition term, that is DT, then we have the definition description, DD. So always everyone will be having the confusion in example, OL and UL all will write, but in this DL definition list they have the two parts, that is definition term and definition description. So this you should write correctly. Okay, so for example you can see one example I had written how this works. Okay, HTML head title I had given as definition list, close the header tag, begin with body tag, then I have used the DL tag, and we have the I have inserted some item, that is DT. DT is a keyboard and DD has a complete definition description. So definition term is keyboard and I have described it as it is an input device that we had given in DD. In DT again printer, then DD is an output device, then close the DL tag. So in between this DL tag and only DT and DT should be present. Okay. So here in right side you can see the output of this example, that is keyboard and input device, printer and output device. So this is an example for the definition list. So here is an example for an ordered list. Okay, that is HTML head, title, ordered list, body. Then I have given OL type equals small letter Roman number, right? If we given capital letter the Roman number, the output should be the, sorry, capital letters, then the output will be in a capital letter. If we given the numbers, that is 1 2 3, then it should, the output should present in the 1 2 3 format, right? So OL type equals small letter Roman number. Then I have used LI. LI is for list item, web development in .NET. So here I have used the subject names. Okay. So here you can write between LI, that is subject. So I have here use some of the subject name like web development in .NET, Java programming and MIS. Then I have closed the OL tag. So here you can see the output, that is of ordered list, web development in .NET, Java programming and MIS are present in small letter Roman numbers. Okay. If we have given type equals capital letters of ABC, then it will present capital letters. Small letter ABC means small letter ABC will present. By default, if we didn't give any OL type, the attribute if we didn't mention, it will take 1 2 3 as it by default. Okay. It's an example for an ordered list. Next we have an unordered list, where we had seen that the list will produce the bulleting format, right? So here you can see the example: HTML head, title, unordered list, close the header tag, body tag, sorry, begin the body tag, then you have the UL tag. Here I didn't specify any type. You can see I didn't specify any type. So if you didn't specify, it takes the, by default it takes the square circle. Okay, circle bulleting. Okay, if you specify type equals square, then it give the square bullets. Okay, so UL, then again I have mentioned the subject names within the list item, that is Linux software engineering project /UL. So here you can write your own subject names. Okay, ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅದರ ಹೆಸರು ಇದರ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೋದು. Okay, then end with the body tag and the HTML tag. So here unordered list, you can see the output, the subject names Linux software engineering and project, which is by default it has taken the circle bullet. Okay, this is about the list. So I need everyone to take out this example, one of the important concept which will be asked for 5 marks. What is list, and explain the different types of a list. Thank you.